Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So let's start learning something new. Hello everyone. As you saw the thumbnail, so we are going to learn something special today. So this is our first one word make do. Make do means काम चलाना in Hindi, in English to manage with something else which is similar to what you exactly need. So, for example, these days I'm making do with my old cell phone. Means इन दिनों मैं अपने पुराने फ़ोन से काम चला रही हूँ. These days I'm making do with my old cell phone. Next one example, I usually make do with a cup of coffee for my breakfast. मैं ज़्यादातर एक कप कॉफ़ी से ही काम चलाती हूँ अपने ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए. For my breakfast, not in my breakfast. For my dinner, for my lunch, not in my lunch or dinner. Okay, so make do means काम चलाती हूँ. Okay, maybe I don't know cook, that's why I have to make do. Okay, next one example. She was making do with only 1,000 rupees the whole month. वो पूरा महीना 1,000 रुपए से काम चला रही थी. She was making do with only 1,000 rupees the whole month. Next one example, make do with what you have in the kitchen. जो भी आपके पास किचन में है आप उससे काम चलाएं. By the next month I will get you the stuff. By the next month, till the next month. Okay. Make do with what you have. जो भी आपके पास है उससे काम चलाएं. It means Daddy, please give me 500 rupees. I'll make do with it. I'll make do with it means I'll manage with that. Brother, please give me your shirt. I will make do with it. Because I am supposed to be in the party where I'm supposed to wear a blue shirt. And I don't have blue shirt, so I'm asking. Okay, I'll make do with your t-shirt. I will make do with your shirt. मैं आपकी शर्ट से काम चला लूँगा. नेक्स्ट वन, तुम साइकिल से काम क्यों चला रहे हो, बाइक क्यों नहीं ले लेते. वाई आर यू मेकिंग डू विद योर बाइसिकल, वाई डोंट यू परचेज अ न्यू बाइक. हमने ऑनलाइन फूड से काम चलाया क्योंकि हमें खाना बनाने का मन नहीं कर रहा था. वी मेड डू विद ऑनलाइन फूड बिकॉज वी डिडंट फील लाइक कुकिंग. हमने सूप से काम चलाया क्योंकि हमें खाना बनाना नहीं आता था. We made do with soup because we didn't know how to cook food. And now this is task for you if you could understand in what context we should use it. आजकल वो टूटे हुए मोबाइल से काम चला रही है क्योंकि उसका लैपटॉप ख़राब है. लैपटॉप ख़राब मीन्स laptop is acting up. Laptop is acting up. Any technical thing, if it's not working well, it means it is acting up. So आजकल वो टूटे हुए मोबाइल से काम चला रही है. Broken mobile, it means टूटा हुआ मोबाइल. Now please translate this. And one more thing I want to add here, we have another way and we often use it, serve purpose. Suppose I need coffee, I ask you for coffee, but you offered me tea. I can say it will serve my purpose. It's okay. It will serve my purpose means I will make do with it or I will manage with it. Okay, so let me know how did you like my session. Thank you.